Dear student, today we will start the new chapter, current electricity. Our previous chapter is electrostat. Then what is the difference between the electrostat and current electricity? You know that in electrostat we study about the static charges and its effect. The static charge only produces an electric field. In current electricity, or in this chapter, we study about the charge in motion. Since you know that when the charge is in motion, it produces electric field as well as magnetic field. Now, first we define the current electricity. It is the branch of physics which deals with the motion of charge, is called current electricity. The flow of free charge in a conductor constitute electric current. That is, in conductor, the charge carrier will be free electron. The electric current is defined as the charge flowing per second through any section of the conductor. If a charge Q crosses any section of the conductor in time t, then the current flowing through the conductor is given by I equal to Q by T. Then the SI unit of current is coulomb per second, and it is also called ampere. The serious unit of current is stat ampere or abstract ampere. 1 stat ampere equal to 1 stat coulomb per second. Now, the rate of flow of charge varies with time, then the current at any time or the instantaneous current is given by I is equal to dq by dt. If n be the number of electrons crossing a certain cross section of conductor in time t, then we can write I equal to Ne by T, where Ne equal to Q. N is integers and E is the basic charge. Now, the current density. The current flowing per unit area is known as current density. It is denoted by capital J, that is J is equal to I by A. since we know that I is equal to NE by T, then we can write the above equation I equal to NE by A into T, where A is cross section area of the conductor. The relation between ampere and stat ampere, ampere and abstract ampere. 1 ampere equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 stat ampere, and 1 ampere equal to 1 by 10 abstract ampere. Now, next topic is electromotive force. Electric current is possible when a source of external force compels the current carriers to move in a definite direction. This external force is called EMF, or in another word, EMF can supply energy or does work to move electric charge from one point to another, which may be battery, dynamo, or battery eliminator. Its SI unit is joule per coulomb, or it is also known as volt. Now, EMF of a cell. It is the maximum potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell. Or in another word, we can say EMF of a cell is the maximum potential difference between two electrodes of the cell when the cell is in open circuit. The EMF of a cell is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule energy is supplied by the cell to derive 1 coulomb of charge once round the whole circuit. The example of EMF is battery, dynamo, battery eliminator. It's all for